Good morning, students. Students, today we will read the article part second. Okay. In first part, we have read about the article a or an. Okay. Now, today we are going to start article part second. Use of the definite article the. Okay. I told you there are two types of articles. Okay. Indefinite article and definite article. So, a or an are indefinite article and the is definite article. Okay. Now one thing I want to tell you that what is the article? Article क्या होते हैं? What is the function of article in English? So I want to tell you articles are the adjectives. Articles are the adjectives because you have noticed one thing that you have ever noticed one thing that article always used with noun and pronoun. Okay. All article always used with noun and pronouns, so the article are adjectives. Okay. In second way you can say articles are adjective because they always use with noun and pronoun. So in in previous video we have read about the article a or an. Now today we are going to start article the. So first I told you the is definite article, and one thing I told you in previous video, the article is definite article and it is pronounced the and the. I told you the is pronounced, it is pronounced the and the. So in what is the condition where we pronounced it the and where we pronounced it the. Okay, let's see. If the article used with noun and noun begins with consonant sound, okay, if noun begins with consonant sound, then in this condition we speak this word, it is pronounced the. Okay, if we use th the with consonant sound, okay, then in this condition we pronounce it the. Or if it is written before the noun that is that begins with vowel sound, it is pronounced the. Okay, I repeat again, if the is written with the noun that is pronounced consonant sound, okay, that is begins with consonant sound, in this condition it is pronounced the. If the noun pronounced with vowel sound, in this condition it is pronounced the. Okay, I hope you understood. Like the end, always you have heard that speak the end, not हम the end नहीं बोलते, we speak the end. So end is pronounced with vowel, so you have to speak here the. Okay, so let's see use of definite article the. Okay, so first the can come before singular and plural noun. The can come before singular and plural noun. Whether a or an is used only before singular countable noun, but it is used before singular and plural noun. Okay, so before any noun when we want to particularize it, okay, before any noun when we want to particularize it, like how any noun you can say the man is standing at the gate is my father. So here man is common noun, but we are particular because here it is we have particularized it. Okay, man को हमने particularized किया है कि the man is standing at the gate. इसमें हमने स्पेशल पर्टिकुलर किसी मैन के बारे में बता रहे हैं, नॉट ऑल एनी, है ना, वी आर हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अ स्पेशल मैन. ओके, विच मैन? ओके, द मैन इज स्टैंडिंग एट द गेट इज माई फादर. जो मैन गेट पे खड़ा है वो मेरे फादर है. तो इट इज़ बट हियर वी हैव पर्टिकुलराइज्ड द मैन. सो इन दिस कंडीशन यू कैन से द मैन. ओके, आप बोल सकते हो द बुक यू आर रीडिंग. ओके, आई वॉन्ट द बुक यू आर रीडिंग. तो हियर द बुक, मुझे वही बुक चाहिए जो आप रीडिंग कर रहे हो. यहाँ पे मैंने उसको पर्टिकुलराइज किया है किसी बुक को कि मुझे वही बुक चाहिए जो आप पढ़ रहे हो. ओके, सो लाइक दिस you can use the. Okay, and second thing, before superlative degree, in adjective chapter I told you superlative degree the article is used. Okay, before superlative degree the article is used, like Venus is the hottest planet. ओके, वीनस इज द हॉटेस्ट प्लैनेट. तो यहाँ पे हॉटेस्ट इट द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, सो बिफोर इट वी यूज द. ओके, सो बिफोर सुपरलेटिव डिग्री यूज द. ओके, द टॉलेस्ट बॉय, कुछ भी आप, द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल. सो हाउ दिस इज हाउ यू कैन यूज. ओके, विथ ऑर्डिनल नंबर. सो स्टूडेंट, लाइक द फर्स्ट मैन, the first student, the second student. So before ordinal number you have to use the. Okay, the is used, remember it, before ordinal number the is used. So before musical instrument, किसी भी musical instrument से पहले before musical instrument you have to use the. Okay, like I like to play guitar. The guitar. Okay student, I like to play the guitar. पियानो आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हो. Okay student. So before musical instrument you have to use the. Okay, before common noun when that represent the whole class. Before common noun when that represent the whole class, जो पूरी क्लास को रिप्रेजेंट करती है. like the cow is a useful animal. The cow is an useful animal. Okay student, so before I mean the cow यहाँ पे पूरी क्लास को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है. ओके, वे पूरी काउ के बारे में, हम जो भी काउज है उनके बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं कि द काउ इज यूजफुल एनिमल, इज अ यूजफुल एनिमल. सो ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. बिफोर कॉमन नाउन एंड इट शुड बी सिंगुलर. ओके, when that represent the whole class, ये सिंगुलर भी होना चाहिए. ओके, द काउ इज अ यूजफुल एनिमल आप बोल सकते हो. द टाइगर इज बिलोंग टू द कैट फैमिली, तो यहाँ पे भी आप बोल सकते हो. बिफोर द नेम्स, सो न्यूज़पेपर के नेम से पहले, बिफोर द न्यूज़पेपर्स नेम यू हैव टू यूज द. लाइक the Times of India, the Times of India. Okay students, so like this, before the newspaper the article is used. Okay, second one is unique thing, like the sun, the moon, the world. Okay, because these are unique thing. Okay, these are unique, so before the unique thing the article is used. Okay, now holy or great books. होली और ग्रेट बुक्स, धार्मिक और महान पुस्तकें, ओके, लाइक ग्रेट बुक्स लाइक द रामायण, द गीता, the Quran, the Bible, the Guru Granth Sahib. So before the holy books, the article is used. Okay. Now trains. Trains name, before the trains name like Shatabdi Express, Shatabdi Express. Okay. The Shatabdi Express. Okay, the Shatabdi Express, the Rajdhani Express, So before the names of trains, okay, the article is used. Okay, now rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna. Student, you have to write all these rule, okay, in your notebook. You have to learn and write all these rules, okay, of the rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Godavari, the Krishna, the Kaveri, okay, any river name you have to use the, okay. Oceans like Pacific, the Pacific Ocean, the Pacific Oceans, the, यहाँ पे it is pronounced the Indian Ocean, the Indian Ocean. Here you can check Indian, okay, it's a vowel sound, it's a vowel sound. So before vowel sound we have to use the, I mean this is pronounced the, okay, the Indian Ocean, the Indian Ocean. So mountain, desert, the Thar desert, the Sahara desert, mountains के आगे, ठीक है ना, the Thar desert, the Sahara desert, the Thar desert, the Sahara desert, okay. So before the desert name you have to use the article, okay. The direction, यहाँ पे the east, the north, the west, the south, तो all direction, before all direction you have to use the, okay. East, like here the east, because east it's a vowel sound, so before this we have to pronounce it the east, okay. Well known buildings like the Taj Mahal, the Hawa Mahal, okay, like this you have to use the article, okay. The whole family, it is used before the whole family, like you can say the Khans, the Sharmas, okay, like this before the whole family, इसमें Khans is indicating whole family and Sharmas indicating whole family. So before the whole family you have to use the article, okay. Okay, now political parties. Before political parties like the BJP, the Congress, okay, the Congress. So before political parties, okay, you have to use the article. Before the designation of big officers, like the prime minister, prime minister, okay, the president, okay. So like this you have to use the article before the designation of big officers. I hope you understood this, where we use the article, okay. So now student, you have to write all these uses of the in your notebook, good handwriting, and you have to learn also these, okay. You have to learn also these. Now I am going to raise omissions of article. Omission of the article, okay. Omission of the article, you can say zero article. आप बोल सकते हो कि no article is used, तो कहाँ no article is used. So student, omission मतलब कहाँ पर आर्टिकल को यूज, दी आर्टिकल यूज, द आर्टिकल यूज, यहाँ पे दी आर्टिकल यूज नहीं किया जाता, ओके. सो लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट, बिफोर मोस्ट proper nouns like names of persons, cities, okay, cities, countries, names of persons, cities, countries, continent, okay. So before these name we don't use the article, like you can't say the Sachin Tendulkar, okay, you can't say the Sachin Tendulkar, you have to write only Sachin Tendulkar, okay, Sachin Tendulkar. Before this Sachin Tendulkar you can't use the, okay. The Sachin Tendulkar is a player. So before the proper noun you can't use the article, okay. Now cities, like you can't say the Jaipur, you can't say the Jaipur, okay, it's wrong, you have to use Jaipur, okay, Jaipur, okay, only you have to use Jaipur, okay. Jaipur is noun, Jaipur is noun, pink city, okay. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan, so you can say Delhi is the capital of India, like this. And countries, like you can say I live इन इंडिया, नॉट इन द इंडिया, इन अ इंडिया ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते आप. ओके, आई लिव इन इंडिया, ओनली इंडिया. यू कांट यूज एनी आर्टिकल. द आर्टिकल यू कांट यूज continent. Asia is the largest continent. Okay, Asia is the largest continent. So like this answer is right, you can't use here the article. Okay, I hope you understood where we can't use the article. Second rule, before languages. बिफोर लैंग्वेजेस, किसी भी लैंग्वेज से पहले वी कांट यूज द आर्टिकल. लाइक हिंदी इज माय मदर टंग. ओके, सो बिफोर हिंदी वी कांट यूज द आर्टिकल. ओके, लाइक हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मराठी, पंजाबी. ओके, सो before abstract noun, before abstract noun, like honesty is the best policy, best policy. So what is here? Honesty is the abstract noun. Okay, honesty is the best policy. So before abstract noun we can't use the article. Okay, and before material noun. Okay, like gold is more precious than silver. Okay, so before gold we can't use the article because any material noun you can't use the. Okay, and fifth, before relation, before relation. Okay, before relation, like फादर, माई फादर बोल सकते हो आप यहाँ पे. माई फादर लव्स मी, बट यू कांट यूज हियर द. ओके, माई फादर loves me. Okay, sister, but before any relation you can't use the article. Okay, the father has gone to Mumbai, sister reads in second class. So like this, before relation you can't use the article. Okay, sixth, before the नेम्स ऑफ मील, किसी भी खाने के नाम से पहले आप नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हो. जैसे ओके, लाइक आप ब्रेकफास्ट, इज रेडी. सो before this we can't use the article. Breakfast, dinner is ready, breakfast is ready. I have lunch at 12 o'clock, जितना भी टाइम बता सकते हो आप. ओके, I have dinner at 8 o'clock. So like this, before the names of, before the names of meal we can't use the article. I hope you understood. So in other way you can say zero article. In other way you can say zero article, because I mean this type of questions are given like where we use, okay, use articles where it's necessary, कि कहाँ मतलब कि जहाँ इसकी नेसेसरी है, आवश्यकता है, वहीं इसको यूज़ करो. आपके शायद नोटबुक में भी क्वेश्चन दे रखा है कि तो वहाँ पे आपको क्रॉस करना है. अगर आर्टिकल यूज़ नहीं किया जाएगा तो आपको यू हैव टू क्रॉस इट. लाइक this type of question you are given like I live in India. So you have to think there article will come or no, okay, because I told you before India there is no article, okay, so you have to cross it, okay, because before India we can't use the article, okay. So this type of question you are given, okay, to solve, to do, okay, for related no article. So it's you have to decide कि where we use article or where we don't use article. So student, I hope you understood, and where we use the article, so you have to write down all the uses of article and you have to learn also. So now first SW class 4th page number 63, class 4th page number 63 you have to complete, and class 5th page number 65 you have to complete, okay, carefully. And I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day, students.